This is a toilet in one of my offices, and as you can see, there's always a lot of particulate, and the water looks a little orange. The problem is this building is on a well, and we have a ton of mineral in the water. So in order to take care of this, first thing we're going to do is turn off the water. Then we're going to give this a good flush and let this tank drain. Once we've got as much water out as we can get, we'll drop everything back down. Now we'll add a gallon of vinegar. And now we'll let the tank fill up. And now we'll let this sit overnight. Okay, so this toilet has been sitting for about 24 hours. And you can see the water's gotten very dark, so hopefully the vinegar has dissolved a lot of material. So now I'm going to flush it, and we'll take a look at how things look. See the water very dirty coming out of there. That's good though, that means things are dissolving. Now I'm going to flush it 2 or 3 more times just to get everything out of the water. You see a lot of debris coming through from that vinegar treatment. Alright, after about 3 or 4 flushes, I've got the toilet somewhat flushed in terms of the main tank. There's still a lot of staining inside that tank, but now we're going to move on to the next step. Now we are going to add an iron out tablet. So what we're going to do is place it at the bottom on this side of the tank, and we will flush the toilet until it's nice and low, and then we'll put it right there. That's it. We'll let that iron out tablet work its magic, and we'll change it about once every 45 days.
Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.